hours in the week free of cost. That's amazing efforts, Priyanka ji. Key to success is family support. So please welcome Mrs. Priyanka.
Thank you everyone for a nice presentation and giving me an opportunity to speak. Today I'll start my presentation with certain facts and figures. It's okay. I think I'm audible?
Yes.
This is the statistics which I would like to share with you regarding the tourism industry. The highlight which helps in generating Indian economic growth and foreign exchange earner. Tourism generates up to 9.2% of India's GDP and 8.1% of employment in 2018. And the prediction for the coming years is up to 6.9%, which is a compounded annual growth rate for the next 10 years. So it's a continuous growing industry. And India has earned $28.58 billion USD or INR 1.94 lakh crores worth of foreign exchange of tourism in the current year 2018, previous year. And the statistics shows for 2016 that almost 4.8 million Indian tourists traveled abroad only for the purpose of leisure. For business, for employment, for study, for medical, the numbers are much more higher. And this is how the rate is expected to grow till 2025. Almost 10 to 30% it is growing, and I'm proud to be part of this industry. Okay. These are my credentials. After completing my graduation in science, I did my MBA in 1995, and I did all the best of the courses related to this industry, that they are known as IATA-UFTA qualifications. You must have seen the certification, the logo, and I have done all the four levels of IATA-UFTA and 3 levels of IATA-FIATA related to cargo and freight forwarding, including dangerous goods. I am a certified expert for South Africa and many more destinations for my product knowledge and up-to-date knowledge on the subject. After 1995, I am continuously working except short breaks when my kids were born. So I've got a 20 years of experience in this industry, taking care of a lot of corporates and clients. I had published a lot of articles in newspapers, and I have given a talk show on All India Radio as well. I have attended a lot of roadshows. You can see some of the articles and my certificates on my website. I do continue to attend a lot of roadshows and seminars which are being promoted by various tourism industries, various airlines, visa departments, counselors. They all keep on updating us, and we have to be part of the updation, whatever is happening in the industry. So this is the basic logo: keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring. This is how I started my career long back in 1995 with Thomas Cook. My office was at Flora Fountain. Then I worked for Orbit Tours. That time in 1994, I had escorted a tour to Israel, and then I have done tours for Hyundai and many more corporate clients. I have worked for various IATA agencies all over India. My previous assignment was in Pune. I was a branch manager of a company called PL Worldways, where we had more than 15 staff was working under me. There I was handling Hyundai as a client, Bridgestone as a client. Bridgestone has a main office in Indore and another office in Pune, which is a bigger one. At one point of time, for almost 1 year, I was handling both branches, Indore as well as my Pune branch, and I used to do a lot of up-down Indore and Pune. We were handling Tetra Pak, Geometrics, Garware Institute, Garware Serum Institute, Poonawalla Group. You are aware of the page 3 clients or the Poonawalla. They were all our premium clients. And if you want to know how the lavish people travel, we can always talk about it in our one-to-one. After that, for my personal reasons, I shifted to Mumbai, and I started my own company in 2017 as Memories Worldwide. Why Memories Worldwide when you have so many tour operators and travel agents all across Mumbai and all across India, right? So I'm the one point of contact. The bigger companies you go, bigger travel agencies you go, you will have different departments. Here, I'll be the one single point of contact for all your travel requirements. I specialize mainly into the family tours and women tours, which is a niche for my work. I give a very genuine advice to the client by educating them. My first objective is nahi ki are murga mila hai phasa lo usko. No, I will give a very genuine advice whether it is a right time to travel, which places you should go, what is your budget, what is your requirement. Harsh is an example. He was travel planning. I hope Harsh you are aware of it. He was planning to travel in August to either to Andaman or to Himachal. I recommended no, this is not the right time. Wait for some time. Go in the right season. Yeah, Harsh? Yeah. So I take care of that I really give a genuine feedback, genuine things, whether how to travel, whether to travel or not, whether this will suit you to go to Ladakh or not. Just because everybody is going, will your health permit to go to Ladakh or not? This is how I take care. So I give all services back with my professional skills and personal touch. We have a lot of clients who are on a budgeted strings, they are on 5-star hotels they want to stay, they are particular about their food, they are very casual about their purpose is shopping, their purpose is relaxing. So everyone has a different requirement and I ensure that I am giving them the complete happiness. So we curate the tours to suit the client's budget and their taste. What is their pace, what is their purpose, what is their main priority. And the most important thing is I deal with direct destination suppliers. If I am doing a tour, whether to Finland or South Africa or Bali or Kerala or Uttarakhand, I ensure that the person's registered office or represented office is in that place. I do not deal just because somebody is giving a very discounted rate or discounted service. I have an office in Ahmedabad and he has office in Delhi and somebody has Kerala. So Kerala wala bhi Himachal bech raha hai, Himachal wala bhi West Bengal bech raha hai, and he is saying I can do Bali also, so I don't believe in that. If I am selling Finland or Northern Lights, I ensure that they have an office in Finland. If I am selling Bali to you, I ensure that they have a representative office in Bali or South Africa or wherever. So we mainly focus on the quality and client satisfaction. Repeat business and client testimony are my greatest strength. And today Madhi is going to support that. She is my client who has recently traveled to South Africa and I told her to come to me. Today is my presentation day and she agreed and she has come today. So we deal in all kind of destinations, whether regular destinations what you are aware of or any kind of offbeat destinations which you have never heard about also. You can come to me. I think I will be able to cater to all such requirements, whether it is Madagascar, Philippines or any offbeat destinations. I can cater to all international, all the continents. The 6 continents where we have habitants, North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia and Australia. I can also take you to Antarctica. And maybe Mangalyaan one day. Same is with India, almost all the states of India and Union territories. And after Article 370, yes, even this is the Jammu and Kashmir. All kind of religious tours, whether it is Mansarovar or Char Dham, any kind of heritage tours, or soft adventure and wildlife tours from Corbett to Kana to Periyar, and women specific tours, as I told you, whether it is for 1 day or 10 to 15 days, I can curate all. This is a one-stop shop, all kinds of flight tickets, hotel, cruises, whether it's a Jalesh cruise or the Norwegian cruise or the Alaska cruise, you can always come to me. All kinds of sightseeings and local transports and transfers. You are only looking for a coach ticket from picking you up from airport and dropping to hotel, or you are looking for a E-class Mercedes-Benz, I can service you at Copenhagen or at Vienna or in South Africa, anywhere. Entrance tickets, whether you want to see Manchester United or anywhere, yes, I'm there. It's done? Oh. Thank you. These are my women tours. These are some of the testimony, including Madhi's testimonies here. These are my relationship with BNI in last 6 months. Thanks to BNI, I've got almost 80 referrals and I need to thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.